Searching Google Drive shouldn't feel like detective work. Old reports, unused PDFs, forgotten exports, you know they're there, but finding and deleting them one by one wastes time. This is where MultCleaner steps in. I have already connected my Google Drive to MultCleaner, and it is ready to be scanned. It's a simple, easy 3-step process. You first select the folder, then you choose what you have to analyze, and then you can just start your scan. So I will choose my whole drive. And I can analyze by duplicate, old files, large files, unused files, and I can even search files. Today, I want to search file. And now I will just start my scan. In seconds, MultCleaner pulls every matching file across my drive, no matter where it's stored. I can review the results and select what I don't need, and I can easily delete them in bulk. I can manually select files, select all of them or unselect all of them. I can move them to a different folder, send them to trash, or permanently delete them. I will select all and move them to trash. Just click apply and your Google Drive will be cleaner and much lighter. No endless scrolling, no manual selection, no missed files hiding in folders. If you know what you're looking for, MultCleaner helps you remove it fast. This is how bulk cleanup should work.